Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will talk about how to care for your French Bulldog. French Bulldog involves a combination of attention, proper nutrition, grooming, exercise, and regular veterinary care. The Frenchie is known for its bat-like ears and short, wrinkled nose. She tends to have a curious and gentle nature and is notorious for being the class clown. She will often have sporadic bouts of energy followed by prolonged periods of resting. She's loyal and loving and prefers to not be left alone at home. The French Bulldog is a generally healthy breed with an average lifespan of 11 to 12 years. Your French Bulldog's health. We know that because you care so much about your dog, you want to take good care of her. That is why we have summarized the health concerns we will be discussing with you over the life of your French Bulldog. By knowing about health concerns specific to French Bulldogs, we can tailor a preventive health plan to watch for and hopefully prevent some predictable risks. Many diseases and health conditions are genetic, meaning they are related to your pet's breed. There is a general consensus among canine genetic researchers and veterinary practitioners that the conditions we've described herein have a significant rate of incidence and or impact in this breed. That does not mean your dog will have these problems. It just means that she is more at risk than other dogs. We will describe the most common issues seen in French Bulldogs to give you an idea of what may come up in her future. Of course, we can't cover every possibility here, so always check with us if you notice any unusual signs or symptoms. General health information for your French Bulldog. Dental disease. Dental disease is the most common chronic problem in pets, affecting 80% of all dogs by age 2. And unfortunately, your French Bulldog is more likely than other dogs to have problems with her teeth. It starts with tartar buildup on the teeth and progresses to infection of the gums and roots of the teeth. If we don't prevent or treat dental disease, your buddy will lose her teeth and be in danger of damaging her kidneys, liver, heart, and joints. In fact, your French Bulldog's lifespan may be cut short by 1 to 3 years. We'll clean your dog's teeth regularly and let you know what you can do at home to keep those pearly whites clean. French Bulldog dog breed info. Infections. French Bulldogs are susceptible to bacterial and viral infections, the same ones that all dogs can get, such as parvo, rabies, and distemper. Many of these infections are preventable through vaccination, which we will recommend based on the diseases we see in our area, her age, and other factors. Obesity. Obesity can be a significant health problem in French Bulldogs. It is a serious disease that may cause or worsen joint problems, metabolic and digestive disorders, back pain, and heart disease. Though it's tempting to give your pal food when she looks at you with those soulful eyes, you can love her to death with leftover people food and doggy treats. Instead, give her a hug, brush her fur or teeth, play a game with her, or perhaps take her for a walk. She'll feel better, and so will you. Parasites. All kinds of worms and bugs can invade your Frenchie's body, inside and out. Everything from fleas and ticks to ear mites can infest her skin and ears. Bookworms, roundworms, heartworms, and whipworms can get into her system in a number of ways. Drinking unclean water, walking on contaminated soil, or being bitten by an infected mosquito. Some of these parasites can be transmitted to you or a family member and are a serious concern for everyone. For your canine friend, these parasites can cause pain, discomfort, and even death, so it's important that we test for them on a regular basis. Vita Veterinary Care will also recommend preventive medication as necessary to keep her healthy. Spay or neuter. One of the best things you can do for your French Bulldog is to have her spayed, neutered for males. In females, this means we surgically remove the ovaries and usually the uterus, and in males, it means we surgically remove the testicles. Spaying or neutering decreases the likelihood of certain types of cancers and eliminates the possibility of your pet becoming pregnant or fathering unwanted puppies. Performing this surgery also gives us a chance, while your pet is under anesthesia, to identify and address some of the diseases your dog is likely to develop. Genetic predispositions for French Bulldogs. Back problems. Intervertebral disc disease, IVDD, is a common condition in French Bulldogs. The disease is caused when the jelly-like cushion between one or more vertebrae slips or ruptures, causing the disc to press on the spinal cord. If your dog is suddenly unable or unwilling to jump up, go upstairs, is reluctant to move around, has a hunched back, cries out, or refuses to eat or go potty, he is likely in severe pain. French Bulldog dog breed info. Spinal deformities. French Bulldogs are more likely than other canines to be born with spinal deformities, a condition called hemivertebra, which may lead to spinal cord damage, instability, or disability. We'll take x-rays when he is young to ensure that we identify problems early because symptoms can worsen with age, weight, and sometimes activity. During his life, if he develops symptoms of any back problems, we'll rule out any other causes, such as a slipped spinal disc or arthritis, and may prescribe medication, acupuncture, or rehabilitation. Inflammatory bowel disease. Inflammatory bowel disease, or IBD, is an immune system disorder common in French Bulldogs in which the intestinal lining becomes overrun with immune system cells called lymphocytes and plasmacytes. The stomach and or intestinal lining becomes thickened, affecting his ability to absorb nutrients properly. Chronic vomiting or diarrhea is common, or it may flare up suddenly and then improve again for a time. Stress, diet change, or intestinal parasites may make it worse. Eye problems. Not many things have as dramatic an impact on your dog's quality of life as the proper functioning of his eyes. Unfortunately, French Bulldogs can inherit or develop a number of different eye conditions, some of which may cause blindness if not treated right away, and most of which can be extremely painful. We will evaluate his eyes at every examination to look for any signs of concern. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.